So, guys, I'm gonna sing you a little song right now. I think would be kind of fun to share with everybody. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel this so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet on the street, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your worth. Make them go up, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make them go up, up, up. You're gonna leave them on up, up, up. Oh.
I heard you singing and I had to come back. I still have to get more beer. I'll be right back.
Dude, welcome back. Welcome back. Okay.
Just stay here.